السلام عليكم. اسمي احمد الدرة. انا مدير الحلول خدمة العملاء بافايا كفرنج الميدل ايست افريكا اند ايجيبت، الشرق الاوسط وافريقيا وتركيا. بالانجلش my name is احمد الدرة. I'm the solution sales specialist leader for Middle East, Africa and Turkey. Today I would like to take you through a tour through our journey at Jitex, and what you will be experiencing, what we call it this year, the innovation without disruption. And what does that mean? You will see how we will allow our customers, to evolve using the trending technology, but at the same time, we'll give them the freedom to do it at their own pace. And to start with, what's special this year, we are starting with the first hottest trending in the technology world today, which is the metaverse. As you can see here, you might be seeing and asking what we are doing today with the metaverse. You will see here the metaverse, we are seeing it becoming, as I said, one of the hottest topic and trending technology nowadays. The metaverse, it's really picking up very fast, rapidly, and we start seeing it in Dubai, for example. They are putting a strategy how all the, I would say, organizations need to exist in the metaverse, because metaverse will become a new touch point for the generation to start transact and interact with the organization while they are doing their business. So our role as Avaya, along with the metaverse, we are integrating the immersive experience with our contact center platform, which is the CCaaS, using the rich API. And what will that mean? That means, for example, if a customer jump into the metaverse and he needs some, I would say, he needs to do some request, or he needs, for example, to request for a specific service or inquiries, then immediately the bot, as you can see here, will trigger the best available agent in the contact center to come into the metaverse and start helping and guiding the customer and giving the services. With that, we will ensure that we are increasing the productivity and efficiency of the organization that would like to launch the metaverse, so they don't have to keep, for example, the employees sitting all the time in the metaverse. Only bring the right person when needed and where needed. And this is what you will see. As part of this integration, we are doing it a rich integration. What I mean by that, the moment the customer jump and he needs to grab someone from the contact center, we are going to send further information about this customer, so the agent would know who's the customer coming right now and who I'm gonna help and support. And this will be all fully integrated within the Avaya customer experience. With the power of the blockchain, you will see it here as well, how it will be facilitated. The metaverse will facilitate the, I would say, all services that any customers would like to do. So imagine if the customer would like to interact with different government or with different institution. In the real world, he might need to go physically there between multiple organizations, or he needs to call, for example, multiple call centers. However, we are showing how multiple organizations can be existing within the same land, and then the customers can move seamlessly and intuitively. And why I'm saying this? Because Avaya still will be able to help, despite they are different organizations, but they sit in the same land on the metaverse. We can differentiate to whom we should send this interaction. If he's on company X, I will call someone from the company X. If he's on company Y, I will go bring someone from the company Y. And this is the intelligence that Avaya is doing this year with the metaverse.
What's exactly the role of the metaverse? Isn't it that the role of any contact center with the
It's not. I would not say it's a new contact center. It's a new touch point. Touch point, what I mean by this? Touch point, we can define it in the old day. I have the mobile. I can open the mobile app and interact with the organization. Or I can take my mobile and call your call center. I have the website. Also, I can interact from there. I have the service center or physical branch. These are touch points where the customer can initiate the communication. So think about the metaverse, it's a new touch point, Muhammad. New touch point that customers can come in and he start inquire services. And then if I need help, here where Avaya role will come in order to go bring the best resource in order to support you in the metaverse world.
But he needed a more integration solution to this new connection.
Absolutely. That's why we are leveraging على السي كاس بلاتفورم تاعنا مع الريتش اي بي اي لنقدر نعمل هالتايت انتجريشن بين الميتافيرس وبين افايا سيستم. يعني اليوم اذا بنطلع على اليوز كيس اللي عم بتشوفوها هي عباره انه حدا فات على العالم الافتراضي الميتافيرس he wants to transact. He didn't find anyone. There is a virtual robot who will immediately start asking you, how can I help you today? Are you coming for 1, 2, 3? Then you will say yes. Then he will send the interaction directly, see that there is an agent free now. He needs to jump into the metaverse and start two avatar talking with each other. And then they can support and help and work.
Sorry about the abstract question, but from your research, what are the main reasons that people are going to the metaverse?
I will tell you. Metaverse, first of all, the digital twin. You can see now the office, Muhammad. You all look here. This is one of the things we'll start seeing it. For example, if you need to rent an office, they might tell you, go to the metaverse, we'll show you exactly what you will be seeing on the physical world, and I can walk you through it, and you define. If for example, I have the same example I gave about multiple organizations. If today you have some government, I would say, applications that you need to apply, maybe it needs multiple government institutions, you need to visit and call and all of this one. This will take time, you still can do it. But what if I look here, all the offices are within the same land. What if I can let you move from one organization to another organization to another organization in the same land at the same time? So this will be less, I would say, hassles, effortless we call it, for the customers to jump into the metaverse and do it. Last but not least, what we are seeing, this is something for the generation alpha. This is, we call it as a future touch point. Look at the kids today. Roblox, this is how they are communicating with each other. My daughters today, they are always on the Roblox talking with her friends and talking, and let's hang out in the Roblox. They will meet, they can go and they will talk, they will collaborate, they will socialize, and then they can go as well to a shop in the Roblox and they can play. And when they need to buy something, they need to buy what they call it Robux. Robux is the digital crypto that we all know, it's a blockchain. And here there is for example.
Are you saying the region is already ready to the metaverse now?
It will take time, but what we are seeing, the vision of Dubai, they start talking about it. If you go and look about the government today, they are all busy, start preparing the use cases for the metaverse and what services they are going to put in the metaverse. It's gonna pick up, and that's what I said. It's evolving globally, but we are seeing it rapidly evolving here, for example, in Dubai. We start seeing government talking about it.
So you think people will be contacting the CCAS as a